As a Lego investor, you need to determine what sets you want to purchase and how long you want to keep them for, and you have to look forward and do your research on what sets you think will do well. I think this set is a phenomenal set. It's probably, I would have to classify it as probably, it'll probably be the top 10 in my top 10 sets probably when it retires. It's an awesome piece. So this set is the Ghostbusters Ecto 1. So if you have this set, you know it's amazing. It's Ghostbusters is iconic. The car is iconic. It's well known, and there's not a whole lot of Ghostbusters Legos. So I think this set will easily fetch you $100 over the price point within a year, maybe less. And $100, that's a lot of money to me. So I think this is a great investment. It's awesome in size. It's an amazing piece. I have one. I actually bought a few at the beginning of the year when I thought it was going to retire in 2022, but then I found out they were planning to increase the price, so I had to return the five that I have to invest that money elsewhere. But in 2023, I am definitely going to pick up some of these Ecto ones. I think it's just a top 10 set, and I don't, it's a large set, so I don't see them coming out with an official UCS, and it's it's going to do amazing. The item number is 10274. There's 2,352 pieces. So if we take a look at Brick Economy, it estimates it will retire in 2023. And we know that because they raised the price this year, so it should probably retire at the end of 2023. So that gives a lot of people, decent amount of time to get a few of these. I definitely think this is a solid investment. I would love to hear your opinion on this. If you think if you think it's gonna go, if you think it will fetch probably $100 over its asking price. So we'll say 340. Do you think that's a possibility? Yeah, I definitely want to hear it. Have a good one.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.